As I speak, China is censoring research on COVID-19, making it harder for the rest of us to beat the virus. President Trump is not doing enough about it. The uncomfortable truth is that Donald Trump left America exposed and vulnerable to this pandemic. He ignored the warnings of health experts and intelligence agencies and put his trust in China's leaders instead. And now we're all paying the price. Just take a look at how we got here. President Obama and I oversaw the launch of a program literally called PREDICT. It gave us early warnings for outbreaks in China and around the world of this kind of disease. President Trump eliminated that program. We had a strong CDC presence in Beijing to sound the alarm when necessary. President Trump cut the number of CD staff in China by more than 2/3. We had an American official stationed inside the Chinese Disease Control Agency, serving as our eyes and ears. President Trump left that position vacant as the outbreak hit. And when the coronavirus started to spread, the CDC wanted to get into China to get information that could save American lives. China said no, and Donald Trump didn't insist on access. Instead, he actively praised the Chinese for, quote, its transparency, end of quote, and he tweeted his thanks to President Xi, quote, on behalf of the American people. He was more worried about protecting his trade deal with China than he was about the virus that had already come to America. So in February, on the same day I was calling on the administration to demand CDC access, President Trump was applauding Xi Jinping for his work on the coronavirus. That's not being tough on China. Just look all across the nation today. We see the consequences of that. When I'm president, I will put the CDC officials back in China and assist the Chinese keep their commitment rather than trusting Beijing with the health and safety of the American people. And I'll demand independent international investigation into the circumstances of the COVID-19 outbreak and China's response. I'll always protect the American people. I promise you that. There's no greater responsibility a president has.